Hello, this is Janet here from her kitchen in Worcestershire, England, and today I'm bringing you a very special recipe that I picked up on the west coast of Scotland about 3 years ago when we were holidaying there with friends. We had a lovely Airbnb overlooking a stretch of water, and beyond it, not far away, was a small island about 4 miles long, just over a mile wide. And you could get a little ferry across there, which we did one day, and it's called Kerrera Island. So the sun was shining, we had fresh air in our lungs, beautiful scenery, sea air, and we walked down south to a small place which had a old castle and Kerrera tea room and bunkhouse, which was a very welcome find. And it was lunchtime, so we decided to get a bite to eat. All very, very friendly, and I had lentil soup. Now, this was no ordinary lentil soup, oh no, because when I got back home in the grey of our weather, I tried a recipe off the internet and it didn't taste anything near as good. So I contacted Martin from Kerrera Tea Room and said very politely if there was any way that he would share that recipe with me. And lo and behold, he did. And it's been a favourite of mine ever since. And so I'm going to share it with you today. Such basic recipe, such basic ingredients, but it's worth the effort because you get up to 8 to 10 servings from this particular recipe, freezes well and tastes delicious. I hope you're going to enjoy it. Try it, please. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye for now.